Hello everyone, welcome to CP Geeks. Today we will be solving this problem, distribute candies among children, and you are given two positive integers n and limit. You have to return the total number of ways to distribute n candies among 3 children such that no child gets more than limit number of candies. So basically you are given that a plus b plus c should be equal to n, and a should be less than equal to L, b should be less than equal to n, and c should be less than equal to L. So can I say b plus c should be less than equal to 2L? Simply adding these two equations. And what is our b plus c? N minus a. So n minus a should be less than equal to 2L, or basically a should be greater than equal to n minus 2L. Okay, so a should be either greater than equal to n minus 2L, or if this thing is less than 0, so you can't give negative number of chocolates, right? So a should be either greater than equal to 0 or should be greater than equal to n minus 12, whatever is the maximum. So we'll just move a from maximum of 0 comma n minus 2L to minimum of n comma limit. That is basically whatever is less, either n or limit, will move a from this to this, right? Okay, suppose I am running a for loop I where we are moving I from this value to this value. So the remaining number of candies would be n minus I, right? The remaining number of candies would be n minus I, and our other two remaining children should get, that is b plus c is equal to n minus I, right? Now again c is less than equal to L, and what is our c? C is basically n minus I minus b. Okay, so n minus I minus b is less than equal to L. So can I say b should be greater than or equal to n minus I minus L? Again n minus I minus L, and what I is here? I is the number of chocolates given to first children, that is basically our a. So b should be greater than equal to n minus I minus L. And can I say that this term can also be negative? So we have to keep sure that b should be either greater than this or greater than 0. So the minimum value of b can be the minimum value of b can be maximum of 0 comma n minus I minus L. So the minimum value of b would be maximum of 0 comma n minus I, and the maximum value of b would be minimum of limit comma n minus I. Can I say this? Because the remaining number of candies after giving to first children is n minus I, and you can't give it more than limit. So whatever it is, whatever the value is less, you have to do that. So maximum value of b can be minimum of L comma n minus I, right? So the number of ways to give to the second child to the chocolates to the second children would be max b minus min b plus 1. Can I say this? Max b minus min b plus 1, and we'll keep on adding this term to our answer. So that's what we have done here. Basically we have initialized our long answer. We are moving this I from the minimum value to the maximum value. So max of 0 comma n minus 2l, so max of 0 comma n minus 2l to minimum of n comma limit, and the second minimum, like the second child को कितना हम मैक्सिमम लाइक मिनिमम हम कितना दे सकते हैं, इधर 0 दे सकते हैं और वॉट एवर n माइनस लिमिट माइनस आई, ये हमने एक इक्वेशन से सॉल्व किया राइट, कि b शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू n माइनस आई माइनस एल। हाँ, अगर ये नेगेटिव हो जाता है तो हमको एक कंडीशन यहाँ पे रखनी पड़ेगी कि मैक्स ऑफ 0 कॉमा n माइनस आई माइनस एल, बिकॉज वी कांट गिव द नेगेटिव नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स और नेगेटिव नंबर ऑफ कैंडीज राइट। एंड द सेकेंड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू वुड बी मिनिमम ऑफ L कॉमा n माइनस आई, दैट इज मिनिमम ऑफ लिमिट कॉमा n माइनस आई, क्योंकि हम मैक्सिमम नंबर लाइक मैक्सिमम चॉकलेट कितनी दे सकते हैं, अप टू अ लिमिट राइट, लिमिट नंबर ऑफ कैंडीज। एंड आंसर में हम सिंपली प्लस कर देंगे, क्योंकि लाइक नंबर ऑफ वेज हमने पहले वाले को फिक्स कर लिया, दैट इज आई। सेकेंड वाले को देने के नंबर ऑफ वेज कितने, मैक्सिमम माइनस मिनिमम प्लस 1, तो सेकेंड मिनिमम माइनस सेकेंड मैक्सिमम माइनस सेकेंड मिनिमम प्लस 1, एंड वील कीप ऑन एडिंग दैट एंड वील सिंपली रिटर्न आवर आंसर। सो बेसिकली ये मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम है, मोर ऑफ अ मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम है। ट्राई रनिंग इट। थैंक यू।